Twyla Cole, aka Sister Cole, and how's my beautiful family doing? I hope that you guys had a beautiful, wonderful, prosperous day. Yes, I do. You know what we like to do over here. I like to do lookbooks, hauls, product reviews. I cook, I clean, I give you a good word. Over here, honey, I just life. If this is something that you believe and you know that you like, go ahead and hit that button. Boom. Hit it right there. Hit that subscribe button because I welcome you. Yes, I do. We're going to get into this video. All right, you guys, I got a package. I have a package that I'm going to open up with you guys, okay? Look like they send me some little goodies. So let's see what's in here. Okay, they have a little bag. All right, it is not the blonde one. Ugh, I wanted it to be the blonde wig. Okay, so anyway, I have some little goodies in here. They gave me a wig strap. Wow, some really long, dramatic lashes. Wig cap. And what is this right here? It has Eunice on a bottle. What is it? Is it lip gloss? Is it mascara? The case is cute. Oh, look at this. The case extends open. What is this? Oh, it's a brush. Okay, so it's a brush on one end. That's cute. And let me see. Is there something in the other? Oh, okay, no. All right, so it's just a, okay, it's just a brush. That's cute. I actually like that. A nice little brush, and when you're going out, you can put this in your purse. And when you're going out, you know, apply your makeup. That's cute. I like that. And then they have their name, Eunice. Okay. All right, and here's the wig. Oh, wait a minute. I got more stuff? Yes, I got more stuff. Oh, let's see. What else I got? This was, oh, wow. Oh, they gave me some clips to hold back your hair when you're putting on your makeup or you're styling it. And then this right here. So I think this is just, what, a bag? This is really nice. Oh, wait a minute. It's a robe. Is it a robe? Yes, it's a robe. How cute is that, you guys? That's really nice. And it has Eunice on the back. That's really cute. A nice robe. That's cute. And it comes with a strap. That's nice. That's the first time I've ever ordered a wig and got a robe. That's really cute. All right, here is the wig. All right, the wig is a, I believe I got a body wave, a 24-inch body wave. Okay, from Eunice or Eunice. They really have nice hair. It's not the first time I'm ordering from them. I've ordered from them before. Okay, and their wigs are really nice. Well, the ones that I've purchased was nice. Okay, so here we go. It's a body wave, 24-inch. And then the front part. That's how the front, the lace in the front. Okay, lace in the front, in the parting area, which I'm gonna keep a middle part because I love a middle part. So here it is, you guys. Very nice. So this is a, you know what? This is a 22-inch, not a 24. It's 22. But look at that. It feels so nice and so soft. I love it so far. That's nice. All right, so body wave. Look at that. The lace in the front. The part is already there. Very cute. Love it. And then it has the thick band. Okay, and the band is adjustable. Now, this is the first time that I've ordered a wig where the band was adjustable. That's the first. This is the first for me. I like that. Extra security. Look at that. Nice. I love it, you guys. So I will put it on and let you guys see it. Okay, but all right, guys. I got my blonde wig in. Well, blonde, auburn colored. How do you guys like it? I really haven't finished fixing it. All I did was just cut the lace off in the front, and but I didn't really fix it yet. But I wanted to try it on so you guys could see it. But I love it. I absolutely love the color. You guys, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you don't like it? What? You guys let me know. This is the I thought I had ordered the 24-inch, but there's no way this can be 24 inches. Absolutely not. This looks more like a 20, maybe a 22, but it's definitely not a 24. It's one of those glueless wigs, and it was lace front, which I cut the lace, and it has a thick band in the back. And a little comb attachment. So it feels, right now I have it on. I don't have no glue. I usually use Got2b glue, but I don't have any Got2b glue on it now. I just put it on so you guys can see it. But yes, I feel like the color fits my face. Okay, what do you guys think? All right, so I'm gonna do a little quick makeup look for you guys. All right, this is a quick makeup look. This is something that I would do if I'm going out and I don't want like a heavy beat, because you guys already know I do not like heavy beats. I just want something, you know, just something light work. That's what I want, okay? I do not like to use a lot of makeup every day, and a lot of products on my face every day, because I feel like when you do that, that's when you start to have like skin trouble. So yeah, I don't do makeup every day, right? And I'm definitely not going to do a heavy beat every day. Absolutely not. Now, all that coverage and foundation every day. No, for me, I wouldn't do it, because yeah. So let's get into this little. All right, so this look, I'm not going to be using any foundation. Yeah, I'm not going to be using any foundation. This is like something I would do when I'm just on my way to work. I need something quick. I need something easy. Okay.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there let's come together. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop, yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's